Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. These chickens sure love this super egg. I usually throw scratch out, they run to it with a. It's got scratch in the ground, and they're some of them are over there, but most of them like this super egg. I'm still out of the other stuff, which is a little cheaper. Maybe they overeat with this stuff, I don't know. This other stuff seems to last longer. But this got them motivated to lay eggs. Normally they don't sit up there because of the rope, but I think this one's impatient. I put the rope up there. I haven't had any problems. I'm sitting up there pooping in the dish since I hung it this way. The turkey used to always jump up there and use it as his personal toilet. But he is no longer with us. Egg production actually has went up since I switched back to the super egg. So, I don't know. I don't need this many eggs. But, yeah. Super egg really works. I'm sure glad Harold's getting along with well, he was getting along with them. He kind of tosses them around. But, I don't know which one this black one is. We're keeping one as to breed with Harold, a female, and then there'll be another black one we'll keep for the freezer. So I do have the two males that are up to go to a new home. Like I said, I'm not sure which is which. But they got to be leaving here pretty soon. My feed bill is too much. Well, we're hoping this little pig, the little red one, goes to its new home today. Hopefully the lady still wants him, or her. We've had this pig was supposed to leave a couple times in different places. And for some reason it didn't work out, and so I got the other batch of pigs that they were interested in. So right now I'm interested in getting rid of her and the two black males, which are fixed. And we'll keep one black female and a fixed male, and my feed bill shouldn't be as bad. We got Harold here. Check this duck out. There's a duck reaching underneath into the barn. Yeah, I get rid of these ducks, but they're laying eggs. That's the only reason why they're here, because they're noisy and they make a mess out of the water dish, and that's a pain. Oh, I got a piglet fight over there. What's going on here? Yep, too many pigs. Somebody gotta go. I was hoping to get some pictures of the babies, but I cannot see in there. Yeah, Penelope only comes out if we throw grain out. So I moved around to see if I could see in the house, and here Penelope goes in. See, she only comes out with the grain. keeps blocking the path here. There's a baby. Well, that's all I got for today. Or as for right now, nothing exciting happening. Just the regular chores. The temperature was definitely cold today, but it's pretty because I see blue. Sunshine makes me happy. Can't wait for spring. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening.